Before proceeding to discuss this video lecture, I request everyone to please like, subscribe and share my channel as much as possible. Thank you. So in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about one of the example of non-primitive CPU scheduling, which is called as the highest response ratio next. So in this example, there are 5 processes P1 to P5 and their arrival time and burst time will be given, and we have to calculate the turnaround time and the waiting time. So in order to calculate this turnaround time and waiting time, we have to prepare a Gantt chart. So we are seeing that at process P1, arrival time of process P1 is 1. So from 0 to 1, the CPU is idle. It is not doing anything. So at 1, process P1 has arrived. It will be executed till 3 time unit, which is its burst time. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So we are seeing at 4 time unit, process P2 has arrived and no other process has arrived till 4 time unit. So its burst time is 6. So it will become executed till 6 time unit without any interruption, as it is non-primitive. So 6 plus 4, 10. So at 10 time unit, we are seeing that 3 process P3, P4, P5 whose arrival time is 5, 7, 8 has arrived in the ready queue. So we will calculate the response ratio in order to decide which process will be given CPU for its execution. So response ratio calculation formula is response time plus burst time divided by the burst time. So response time will be 10, which is the final completion execution time or completion time. 10 minus arrival time of process P3 is 5. So 10 minus 5 plus its burst time is 8. 10 minus 5 plus 8 divided by 8 is 5 plus 8 is 13 divided by 8 is 1.625. Same way P4 we will calculate 10 minus 7 its arrival time plus burst time divided by the burst time, which is its 4. So 3 plus 4, 7 by 4, which is coming 1.75. And P5 burst time response ratio will be 10 minus 8. Its arrival time of P5 is 8. So 10 minus 8 plus 5 is the burst time divided by the burst time, which is 5. So 2 plus 5 divided by 5, which is coming 1.4 seconds. 7 by 5, 1.4 seconds. So we are seeing that P5, P4, 1.75 is the larger among these three. So P4 will be given CPU for its execution. So it will be executed till its burst time, which is 4. So 10 plus 4, 14. Till 14 time unit, P4 will be executed. Now at P4, at 14 time unit, completion time of P4 is 14. So till here, which process are in the ready queue? P3 and P5. Now we will calculate the response ratio for P3 and P5. So response time plus burst time divided by the burst time. So response time will be 14. 14 minus its arrival time is 5 plus its burst time is 8. P3 process plus divided by the burst time, which is coming 9 plus 8 divided by 8, which is 2.15 second it is coming. And again for process P5, 14 minus 8 its arrival time plus 5 its burst time divided by burst time 5. So 6 plus 5 divided by 5, it is coming 11 by 5, which is 2.2 seconds. So we are seeing that 2.2 second is more than 2.15 seconds. So P5 will be given CPU for its execution till its burst time, which is 5. So 14 plus 5, 19. Now which process has left in the ready queue? P3, which its burst time is 8. So till 8 time unit, 19 plus 8 is 27. So till 27 time unit, P3 will be executed in the CPU. So we know the completion time of all the process. Now we have to calculate the turnaround time. Turnaround time is equal to completion time minus arrival time. So completion time for process P1 is 4. 4 minus 1, which is 3. So 3 is the turnaround time for process P1. Same way we will calculate for process P2. 10 minus 3, which is 7. So P3, 27 minus 5, which is 22. P4 is 14 minus 7, which is 7. And P5 is 19 minus 8, which is 11. So in this way, which will be its average, then 3 plus 7 plus 22 plus 7 plus 11 which is 50 divided by 5, which is coming 10 seconds. It's average turnaround time. And average waiting time, same way we will calculate. The formula is turnaround time minus burst time. So turnaround time is 3 for process P1, its burst time is also 3, so 3 minus 3 is 0. Then 7 minus 6 is 1. Then for process P3, turnaround time is 22, burst time is 8, 22 minus 8 is 14, and 7 minus 4 is 3, then 11 minus 5 is 6. So its average waiting time will be 0 plus 1 plus 14 plus 3 plus 6, which is 24 divided by 5, which is coming 4.8 seconds. So in this way we will calculate the turnaround time and the waiting time. So if you do like my channel, its content, if you have liked, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please do comment also. Thank you.